Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about Moosend's affiliate program. Moosend is an email marketing platform designed to help businesses create and send email campaigns, automate marketing processes, and track results. It provides features like easy drag and drop email creation tools, sign-up forms and landing pages, email automation workflows, subscriber list, segmentation, performance tracking, and analytics. It is marketed towards businesses looking for an affordable and user-friendly email marketing solution. It also has an excellent affiliate program which delivers on its promises. You can help your audience grow their business effortlessly with Moosend's marketing tools and at the same time earn up to 40% commissions per referral. Moosend has tiered commissions ranging from 30% to 40%. You start off with bronze with 0 to 5 referred accounts, making you 30% commission per referral. When you refer 6 to 10 paid accounts, you get 33% commission in the silver tier. Likely, when you refer 11 to 25 paid accounts, you earn 35% commission in the gold tier. After referring 26 to 35 accounts, you earn 37% commission in the platinum tier. And after you have referred more than 36 paid accounts, you get in the diamond tier, where you earn 40% per referral. You can expect a trial to paid conversion rate of 13 to 15% on average. Moosend's earnings per click rate is more than $2. More than $250,000 of commissions has been paid to the ambassadors so far. As a final verdict, you should join the Moosend affiliate program, as it has no drawbacks and will earn you more money. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.